Imagine being able to turn your creativity into cash. Not months from now, not years from now, but today. What if I told you that Google's latest AI breakthrough, Nano Banana, isn't just about generating stunning images? It's also a powerful money-making machine waiting to be tapped? In this video, we'll dive into how you can leverage Google Nano Banana to earn online, build side hustles, and create opportunities in ways that simply weren't possible before. Section 1. What is Google Nano Banana and why it matters for earning? Nano Banana is Google Gemini's latest AI-powered image generation tool, designed to compete with Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. Unlike earlier tools, Nano Banana is deeply integrated with Google's ecosystem: search, workspace, ads, YouTube. This means not only high-quality visuals, but also tools optimized for creators, marketers, and businesses. Why this matters for money-making. Integration. Demand. If businesses, content creators, and individuals are already using Google products daily, Nano Banana's images become the go-to for their creative needs. That opens up opportunities for freelancers and entrepreneurs. So, now that you know why Nano Banana matters, let's explore the practical ways you can actually make money with it. Section 2. Freelance hustles, turning AI images into cash. Fiverr and Upwork services offer custom artwork, illustrations, book covers, podcast covers, YouTube thumbnails. Speed is your edge. What used to take hours of Photoshop can now be done in minutes. Example gig. I will create stunning YouTube thumbnails with AI in 24 hours. Stock image platforms. Sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Creative Fabrica are increasingly accepting AI art. Nano Banana can help generate niche-specific visuals. For example, futuristic tech backgrounds, business-themed infographics. Every download is equal to passive income. Custom client work. Local businesses, influencers, startups always need designs, but many don't have big budgets. With Nano Banana, you can undercut traditional design pricing while still delivering high-quality work. Freelancing is the fastest way to get started. But what if you want to scale your creative work beyond one-off gigs? Section 3. Content creation. Fuel your own brand. YouTube and podcasts. Use Nano Banana to generate thumbnails, backgrounds, even storyboards for your videos. Strong visuals boost CTR, click-through rate, which boosts income from ads and sponsorships. Instagram and TikTok. Build niche meme pages or art pages powered entirely by AI. Consistent posting is equal to audience growth is equal to brand deals. Blogs and newsletters. Nano Banana can generate unique illustrations for every blog post. This makes your content stand out, increasing traffic, affiliate clicks, and ad revenue. Content creation isn't just a side hustle. It's the foundation of building long-term income streams powered by Nano Banana. Section 4. Business applications. Serve clients smarter. Marketing agencies. Instead of hiring expensive graphic designers, agencies can use Nano Banana for ad creatives, campaign mock-ups, and pitch decks. Opportunity. Become the AI-powered agency in your city or niche. E-commerce stores. Generate unique product images, lifestyle mock-ups, and banner ads instantly. Print-on-demand (POD) shops. Nano Banana allows you to design custom graphics for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. Real estate, coaching, restaurants. Small businesses always need visuals for social media and promotions. You can position yourself as the affordable AI designer who saves them time and money. And speaking of print on demand, that brings us to one of the most powerful passive income streams with Nano Banana. Section 5. Passive income. Let Nano Banana work while you sleep. Print on demand (POD). Use platforms like Printify, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon. Example niches: motivational quotes with unique AI backgrounds, anime-inspired art, minimalist posters. Once uploaded, products keep earning without extra effort. Stock market of AI art. Build a portfolio site and license your generated designs. Offer royalty-free AI packs for creators. NFTs and digital collectibles. While NFTs aren't as hot as in 2021, unique AI-generated art collections still sell. Early movers in Nano Banana-themed collections could capture attention. So far, we've talked about freelancing, content, business, and passive streams. But the biggest opportunities often come from teaching and leading. Section 6. Teaching and Early Adopter Advantage. Courses and tutorials. If you master Nano Banana early, you can teach others. YouTube tutorials, Skillshare courses, or even ebooks on how to use Nano Banana for business. Coaching and workshops. Offer consulting for small businesses on how to integrate AI into their workflows. Host webinars teaching creative entrepreneurs how to monetize Nano Banana. Personal branding. Being among the first Nano Banana experts builds authority. Followers, clients, and media naturally gravitate to early voices in emerging tech. And here's the exciting part, the future, because Nano Banana is only just beginning to show us what's possible. Section 7. Future-proofing your earning strategy. Google's ecosystem advantage. Expect Nano Banana to eventually integrate into Google Ads, Google Slides, Docs, and even search. This will expand opportunities for businesses who want instant design inside their existing workflows. Trend forecasting. As AI continues to blur lines between design and automation, demand will shift toward those who know how to prompt effectively. Being a great prompter will be a career skill. Long-term stability. AI tools will evolve, but your adaptability, building systems around them, teaching them, and applying them to real business problems is what keeps income sustainable. So there you have it. Google's Nano Banana isn't just a fun image generator, it's a gateway to real opportunities. From freelancing to content creation, from passive income streams to teaching, the possibilities are as big as your imagination. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these earning strategies excites you most? Are you more interested in freelancing, content creation, or building passive income streams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's looking for their next side hustle. Because the future of earning isn't just digital, it's AI-powered. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep building your future.